Honey is a natural sweetener that has been prized for its many health benefits for centuries. Here are some of the potential health benefits of honey. Honey has been shown to potentially reduce the risk of cancer and other chronic diseases due to its high antioxidant content, including phytochemicals, flavonoids, and ascorbic acid. These antioxidants help to fight against free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. In addition, honey contains fructose, a type of sugar that is considered to be healthier than table sugar. For this reason, it may be a safe alternative for people with diabetes. Honey is also a natural antimicrobial agent, containing compounds such as hydrogen peroxide and glucose oxidase. Its low pH also helps to kill harmful bacteria in the body. Honey is known to have both antibacterial and antifungal properties, thanks to the presence of hydrogen peroxide and other substances. Its antiseptic properties may make it effective at fighting infections and promoting healing. Honey is also often used as a natural cough suppressant, as it is thought to help soothe the throat and reduce coughing. Additionally, honey may be helpful in relieving digestive issues such as diarrhea. Here is the quantity recommendations by the experts. It is generally recommended to consume at least 6 teaspoons of honey per day, or a total of 10 tablespoons per week. It is important to note, however, that 1 teaspoon of honey contains approximately 6 grams of sugar. Therefore, it is important to be mindful of your overall sugar intake and not to consume excessive amounts of honey, as this may lead to negative health consequences. As always, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or adding new supplements or remedies.